Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop. So today we are reviewing this Sky RC dual charger. It's the D100 V2. This is all completely new to me. What I'm going to do is a quick unboxing, show you what's in there, and hopefully get this thing connected and see if we can charge a battery. We should really read the manuals, but we'll try and get this thing charged anyway. So let's have a look. So yeah, there's the box. Tells you all the information on the box on what it does and everything else. We've got 2 channels, so 2 different charging ports. Voice guide. That's good because this thing actually talks to you, tells you when it's charging, what's going on, and everything else. DC powered and 12. It's AC and DC powered, so plugs into the wall for 240 volt, and it also does 12 volt DC from the car if you need to. Does NiCads, NIMs, Lipos, etc. Battery voltage meter, I would hope so with the digital charger these days. And it also connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, so that'll be interesting as well. So say this is all completely new to me, guys, so apologies if it's a bit of a dodgy video, but you got your manual. We'll read that later on. What else we got in here? Let's just adjust the camera. Balance boards. I guess these plug into the charger at the front, ×2. You've got your mains leads. So I've got X160 connectors on, and there's 2 that haven't. So 2 so you can put your own on. So I use Deans for all my models, so I'm gonna have to put some Deans on there. And then you've got these as well. Them are really nice connectors actually. You've got your AC plug adapter. Let's get this thing out. Just adjust the camera. Ooh. Oh wow, that's nice. That's really nice. It's only got a USB port for charging as well. That's great. So you can charge your phone at the track. It's got a fan one side, fan the other, plenty of ventilation. There's your 12 volt DC input and also your AC input. I think we should just connect this thing up and see what happens. Come back to you in a sec. Right then guys, so yeah, it's a good strong AC adapter. You have to really force that into the back there, which is nice, so that's not going to fall out. Let's connect this thing up.
Welcome, I am ready. Make sure you select the correct battery type.
Ooh, not sure if I can get that to focus, but that is a nice clear screen. Right, let's just try and get this thing fired up. I've not used this before guys, like I say, but I've used plenty of chargers. First thing you're going to have to do is get your balance board out, which is in 2 pieces. These ends, connect them up like so. This one into there, which way up, with the clips facing up. And there we go, that's connected. So then we also need a balance charger for the batteries. So we got negative, positive. This is a little bit tight, but let's just try and get this connected. 2 cell Lipo, which is that one. So this should really charge up this battery. So let's put the minus in the minus, positive in there. Balance lead in the center. I have got a Lipo charge bag, guys. Always use a Lipo charge bag. Trust me, you've seen too many pictures, videos, and everything else on the internet. Lipo charge bag. There you go. Even a Lipo charge case or box. Let's just put that there. What I'll do is zoom in on the menu, see if we can get this thing going. Right then, so we've got all our wires and everything else. I'm guessing this up and down button chooses between A side and B side. We've currently got all our wires in A side. So we press enter. select current, so we are charging a 5000 mAh battery, so that'll be 5 amps. Enter.
Select cells.
Select cells, so we are charging a 2-cell LiPo.
Press and hold enter button to start.
Press and hold the enter button to start, as she says.
Press start to confirm. Stop to cancel.
We'll press start. Ooh, okay. So that's it. We are charging. On my other chargers, if you press left and right, it tends to show you the status of the battery, which it does. There you go. You've got 2 cells. One's at 4.01, one's at 4.02. So that means they're nicely balanced and they're going to balance nicely on the charger. Fuel, we are at 83% on the battery. So this battery far away from being finished charged actually. And that's what your cell voltage is going to be in each cell at the moment. Brilliant, there you go. This thing is charging. What I might try and do, guys, is get the app up and running so I can show you what this looks like on the app, because by the looks of it, I think it gives you reminders on your phone via Bluetooth. Not sure whether I'm going to really use the reminders on the phone, to be brutally honest with you, but it is going to be nice to charge 2 batteries off of one charger at the same time. I'll just leave this thing charging, guys. It looks like it's charging nicely. Oh, you press the other way. It gives you another menu. End voltage 8.4. In power voltage 14.1. Temperature. That's the temperature of the room right now. I'm guessing there is actually a temperature sensor on the front of the charger. You can plug that in. And you can test the temperature of your batteries while you're charging. Cut-off voltage. Safety timer, 120 minutes, no more charging than 120 minutes. Capacity cut-off. There we go. Guys, that is a nice, easy charger. Like I say, ain't even read the manual yet. If you've used a Lipo charger before, I'm guessing you'll really know how this thing works and how it charges. Let's set the other side up and charge the other one. Right then, so we've got another Lipo set up, all the leads set up on the right side. So I'm guessing what we'll do is press down to B, enter.
Select current.
Select current. Again, I think it was in the 4 or 5. So let me just check 1 second. 5000 mAh. Put that back in the Lipo charge bag. So we're going to 5. Enter.
Select cells.
2 cells, yeah.
Press and hold enter button to start.
Press and hold start.
Press start to confirm. Stop to cancel.
There we go. We have got 2 batteries on charge at the same time, guys. There you go. These batteries ain't going to be far behind each other, to be honest. What I will do is, for your purposes, I'll leave this thing running and then I'll catch the chime when it finishes and put it on here for you guys to listen to. And then I'll do a quick overview and finish up. Looking good though so far, guys. I do really like this charger. Managed to catch it.
Battery is fully charged.
And that's what you get.
Battery is fully charged.
Instead of just a beep, I guess that's nice.
Battery is fully charged. Battery is fully charged.
There you go. And always, guys, always use a Lipo sack or charge tin. Anyway, so I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. See ya.